welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to search for large files on your hard drive. As you can see, I am currently in my YouTube folder. These are all videos that I have uploaded recently onto YouTube, but I'm going to use this as an example. But you can do this in the directory of your C drive. All you need to do is go to the top right hand corner and type in size and then colon. And then you can then type in small, medium, large, huge or gigantic. As you can see, if you go with small, it will only search for files between 16 KB and 1 meg. There we go. As you can see, that file is the only one that goes between that file size range. If I go back again, I can then select medium. This has now found all the files within that folder or your hard drive that fit within that category as well. If we go back again, we could then select large, and this is select files between 128 meg to 1 gig. And there we go. It really is that simple. If you do want a few more details on the files, as in get it into a nice list so you can pinpoint what file is taking up a lot of space on your hard drive, you can then click on View and you can then click on Details. And as you can see, we have the file size here and we have the directory of where the file is stored. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.